so hot. Hey guys, I am back. I came here to a farm and I found some little animals. Look at that one. It's following me. I'm scared. Never mind. Look it. Look it. All of these, especially that one over there. That one. Look at all of these. So cool. Are there any more? There's a little one. Right there. Show you that one. That little one. And I think I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna come here. Oh, these are the. Look, they even have a little one right there. Two little ones right there. So cute. So cute. So cute. I thought these was males. I thought these were boys. Okay, look at these puppos. Okay, I'm especially scared of that one. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, never mind. I'm moving. Okay. Cows. Okay, firstly, where's Grandpa? Oh, he's right here. Oh my god, that cow keeps looking at me. I'm going back. I'm heading back. See you. Hey, Grandma. Hey, Grandma, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die out here, especially. Hold on, I'll pause the video. Hold on. Pause the video. Okay. So I just went in. Grandpa's in there. And he said, go to the car. We're almost done. Sure. Oh my god. Okay, especially I have to show you the most cutest thing of all is a pony. Look at the pony. Getting inside. Oh, I'm so scared, pony. I just wanna. Okay, never mind. Just wanna inside. Not fun. I'm scared of you guys anymore. Look at that one. Look at you. Cute. Soft. Head to the car. Like I would do that. No. Look at the baby still there. No one else. Oh, what is that? What is that? I'm scared now. Turn it off. Okay, I was scared. Look at that. Swan is cool. Yeah. Okay, you know what? It's car time. We don't got no time. It's hot as the. Oh my god, can you shush? Okay. This is very hot. I'll show you one more time of the cows. So I'm gonna show you cows. Not yet. Oh, I just saw a bunny. I just saw me the bunny. I just saw me the bunny. Cool car though. Cool car. Okay, I'm just putting you down here. I don't know why. Okay, big wiggle, 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 wiggle. Oh, another car came. Good. Because I don't want to be here alone with this work. No. Why? They took my spot. Ugh. I'm just gonna wait here sadly. I'm gonna go show you the cows up close. But my dad says go to the car. Go to the car. Go to the car. I'm not like that. I'm more into spirit. Okay, never mind. I'm never being a farmer. Well, I love to, but look at that. What is that? Okay, that's a cow. Think, female cow. No. A bull. No. Okay, I forgot. Okay. My favorite rock. Oh, and guys, the sand feels so smooth. I'm gonna give away sand from here, and it feels so cold. So I'm gonna give away some sand. And yeah, I'm gonna give away some sand. And hold on, I just need to get the sand. Never mind. Hold on, later. Go chill. Oh my God, that's coming to me. ¿Quieres mirar un bebé? Acá está. Ahí está el bebé. No sé qué es eso. Un pájaro. How did that get over here? Oh, never mind. Okay. Sí, te persiga.
No, bebé. Ya está siguiendo popó.
Te está persiguiendo. ¿No te gusta?
Está popó. Ven, bebé.
¡Oh! Eso se cae fácil. Esos bebés se caen fácil. Oh, quiere saber a entrar aquí. Si lo puedes agarrar, no más que no lo agarres de atrás.
Ven, bebé. Aquí está.
No, sí, yo creo. A ver, venga para acá. Yo creo que me metes para acá. Sí. Oh.
¿Qué pasa?
No sé. No sé qué vivir adentro. A mí no me gustan los bebés.
Yo sí.
A mí estos de bebés de verdad, sí.
Pero no estaba aquí.
No sé cómo se salió.
Mira, sí salió.
Hay muchos.
¡Oh, brincó!
No puede brincar.
¿Solita mamás?
¿Ah?
¿Solita mamás?
Yo creo. Si te miran, eres la mamá, yo creo.
No, la mamá.
A ver, déjalo ahí. Venga, córrele, para que no te persiga. Córrele. Te está persiguiendo. Córrele, para acá. Ah, ya no te... ¡Oh! ¡Te está persiguiendo! Dale para allá, dale. Para que no te mire. Dale para acá. Ese pájaro no me gusta. ¿Todavía está el pájaro? Digo,
¿Está allá?
está en mi carro. No me gusta. No te mía. Si te vas para allá, te va a perseguir.
¿A saber?
Ajá. no me gustan.
¿Así?
Ujú.
Sí me gusta ver sí.
Ese pájaro me está persiguiendo. ¿Quieres mirar un caballito?
¿Qué?
Es un caballito.
Yo tengo un pony.
¿Sí? ¿De verdad o de mentira?
¿Verdad?
¿Sí?
Es un niño.
Eso se parece a una niña. Ese pájaro me está persiguiendo. No sé por qué. No me gusta.
¿Qué pasa ella?
No sé.
¿Qué es mi mamá?
Mire, mire las vacas. Los chiquitos, los bebés. Esa vaca no me gusta.
¿A cuando
I don't like this cow. Well, I like cows, but still. Despacito. Da, 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 da.
Ya me voy.
Bye. Que no te mira el animal, ¿ok? Okay, never mind. It's next to my car and I don't like it. It's going under my car. I don't like it. Okay, chill. Oh, here, guys. I have another view of a cow. I have to hurry if not the little thing is gonna chase me. Look at that, guys. If you haven't seen a cow, the face. It's really dirty though. Really, really dirty. Little cows. And that cow keeps looking at me. I don't like it. There's a herd of cows over there. More herds everywhere. Look at the bunny! Stay still, stay still. Oh my god, I didn't even see that freaking bunny. Okay, guys. That bunny right there. And bunny right there. I'm terrified. If you want to see a plane, you're a plane. Plane of heaven. Okay, I'm gonna go tell my dad that this is a sheep or a little, I don't know, it's freaking carry on. So hold on. Los chicharrones. Los caros son muy grandes.